Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will discuss AI in the education sector and how to ace exams with the help of it. So today we will switch and stick to the most informative and question topic, which will not only enhance your knowledge, but will motivate you to work on yourself and know your worth. But before getting on to the topic, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn through this channel, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earnings from this channel. Our vision is that every child in India will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. So as we know, technology has been upgraded to a great extent. In today's world, we have been provided with various beneficial facilities and resources to be used for us. One such technological innovation is AI or ChatGPT. So today's video will be all about how to be productive with this new innovation in the academic field, which is how to ace exams with ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it well. We are here to share tips with you to start working on the path of earning more than you ever thought. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, "Education is the most powerful weapon that can be used to change this whole world." Now, since the world is exploring day by day, the field of education should also expand. AI has been a blessing to the new technology in every aspect. But today, we are here to discuss the role of AI in education and how can you ace exams by using ChatGPT. Now, AI in education is gaining more fame in today's times. Students are becoming increasingly involved in ChatGPT, which is an AI-driven platform for the preparation of exams. ChatGPT has become a great and essential tool for those who wish to ace their exams and succeed in their lives. First of all, we must know what actually ChatGPT is. Then we'll go to the next question on how to use ChatGPT in acing your exam. ChatGPT refers to the language model that is AI-driven and hence developed by OpenAI. It works by using advanced machine learning algorithms, which are used to switch human-like text based on input it receives. It helps you to answer, summarize, and translate the solutions and much more. It makes accessing information much easier and faster in a computerized manner. People can communicate with computers naturally. So after learning about ChatGPT, let's get back to the main epitome of our video, which is how to ace exams with ChatGPT. Now, since ChatGPT functions, a lot of its functions in this field will automatically help you to ace your exam. ChatGPT helps in the following ways. To summarize. Sometimes, before an exam, it is essential to have a brief about what you've done, and hence, ChatGPT can summarize any essay or study material in a simple, easy to read and understand manner. It can be used to summarize study material in several ways. You can enter the text, which could be any chapter, and hence get the summary of it, even though it can help in providing you the main points. Generating answers to questions. ChatGPT can provide students with practice questions and answers to help them prepare for exams. The technology can also help students understand complex concepts and provide them with a deeper understanding of the material. Doing homeworks. ChatGPT can help you in working with your assessments and assignments. If you get into trouble too, it's not only completes, but in a systematic manner with proper solutions so that you can with it easily. Solving math problems and equations. ChatGPT can help you find proper and detailed solutions to your problems so that you can learn easily and effectively with proper understanding. You just need to enter the question or scan your docs and hence will instantly get the answer to your problem. Computer coding and decoding. In this technological world, it is important to be aware of new inventions and get updated. Coding and decoding have been a basic necessity in today's world, so it is important to be known with such inventions. ChatGPT can help you in providing courses to learn new coding and decoding languages. Technology is increasingly being used in various industries, including education, to help people find answers and make decisions more efficiently. If you're a book reader, do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topics. Before moving, guys, I hope you like this video, and if it is so, you are requested to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Initially, it helps to quickly gather information from large volumes of educational data, which makes it easier to learn quickly and effectively. It also helps to upgrade problem-solving skills as it motivates the students to think after the material given. Furthermore, it provides personal solutions and suggestions that provide better strategies that best suit their learning styles. Students can use it to get certain answers to their homework. It can be used to provide information on a range of topics, whether it could be any from history and science to math and literature. Using ChatGPT for exam preparation not only enhances students' understanding and knowledge, but also helps them save time and money. It eliminates the need for costly tuition and coaching. So AI in education has starts over the past few years. It empowers and gives potential to students to ace their exams by providing them with personalized guidance and feedback. From giving guidance with pure assistance and performing advanced analytics, AI-driven solutions are influencing the way students learn. Through the ChatGPT platform, teachers are able to generate questions that are relevant to their students and track their progress. The ChatGPT also begins for teachers to start monitoring the provided and powered assessment solutions. This helps them identify gaps in the learning process and determine the best intervention strategy needed to help the students and improve their scores. In spite of this, ChatGPT helps teachers to get views and feedback on student trends and assess their information completely from proper inspection. By following such technological innovation, you will be well on your way towards achieving your goal of passing your exams with dedication and perseverance. It is possible. Good luck. Hope you liked the video, and if you want more such videos, please comment, share, and like this video so that we can get the motivation to work more and bring such content according to your choices. You are also requested to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you and have a great day ahead.